Daily routine in the countryside. Present simple conversation.
Hey, Sarah. How's your day going?
Hi, John. It's good. How about yours?
Not bad. Do you live here in the countryside?
Yes, I live here. I don't live in the city. What about you?
Yes, I live here too. I don't like living in the city. What do you usually do during the day?
I wake up early around 6 a.m. I feed the chickens and then I collect the eggs.
That's nice. What do you do after that?
After the chickens, I water the garden. We grow tomatoes and carrots.
Do you work in the garden every day?
Yes, I work in the garden almost every day. I don't skip it because the plants need water. How about you? What do you do in the morning?
I help my dad with the cows. We feed them and clean the barn.
That sounds like hard work.
Yes, it is, but I don't mind. After that, I sometimes work in the fields. We grow potatoes and corn.
Do you like working in the fields?
It's okay. I like being outside. I don't stay indoors much. In the afternoon, I usually ride my bike or take a walk. What do you do in the afternoons?
I usually bake or do housework. I don't go out much, but sometimes I visit my neighbors.
That sounds nice. Life here is quiet, but I like it.
Me too. I don't want to live anywhere else. The fresh air and open spaces are the best.
Does Sarah wake up late every morning?
No, she doesn't. She wakes up early every morning.
Does Sarah feed the chickens?
Yes, she does. She feeds the chickens and then she collects the eggs. Does John help with the chickens?
No, he doesn't, but he helps his dad with the cows and cleans the barn. Does Sarah water the garden every day?
Yes, she does. She waters the garden almost every day because the plants need water. Does John work in the fields?
Yes, he does. He sometimes works in the fields where they grow potatoes and corn. Does Sarah skip working in the garden?
No, she doesn't. She works in the garden almost every day. Does John stay indoors in the afternoon?
No, he doesn't. He usually rides his bike or takes a walk outside. Does Sarah go out in the afternoons?
No, she doesn't. She usually bakes or does housework in the afternoons.